Without proper laundry care, clothing can become dingy or even change color over time. If you're not sorting or using dye grabbers like Carbona Color Grabber, runoff fabric dye may transfer in the wash water to your garments, causing a color runner bleed, turning your once white onesie pink. Treating color runs with chlorinated bleach is dangerous, and it could cause irreversible garment damage by permanently altering colors and patterns. Instead, use Carbona Color Run Remover. It has a powerful non-bleach formula that's gentle on fabrics to easily remove dye and streaks caused by color run accidents. It'll even remove older ones that were set in the dryer. To use, simply add Carbona Color Run Remover to hot water and stir until fully dissolved. Then, add in the dye-stained item and soak until the unwanted color lifts, usually just a minute or two. Then, rinse and wash as normal. For larger color run accidents, the product can be used directly in the washer. Carbona Color Run Remover, the #1 consumer choice to fix color run accidents.